I would like to install a Ring Pro with my Nutone IM-3303. I'm okay with eliminating the use of the Nutone to just Ring Doorbell.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
A few weeks. I gave up and recently started searching online for solutions.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it's relatively simple, yes, but would consider an electrician.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope. When I make the connection to the module, I do not get power to the Ring. Additionally, the doorbell continuously will ring without stopping.
Hello, if you have an existing doorbell unit connected, can you locate the existing doorbell transformer? The Ring devices require 16 volts and some doorbell transformers are lower voltage than that. You may have to replace it with a different transformer.
My unit has 2 transformers. And they are 16V. When I disconnected the doorbell, I was getting 10V at the door. The problem I believe is that I would need to wire the Ring directly to the transformer and totally disable the whole house intercom. Which I'm okay with. I was just wondering if there was a workaround.
Okay, I will look over the specs of the existing unit and get back to you on that. Okay, it looks like you would have to disconnect the doorbell circuit from the master panel. You would then need to reroute the doorbell circuit to a new standalone chime.
Okay. Thank you. I'm going to try that and also install a wireless Ring chime to get the same effect, as my phone might not always be next to me.
Okay, let me know how it goes and if you need further assistance. You can come back to this page anytime for a follow-up.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.